Welcome to the Magic Academy. Today we begin our journey on health and fitness. Stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back to Magic Academy. I'm Celestial Petals. As you can see, we are bringing out the big guns. I have done a shopping spree at Sprouts, and I'm going to go over with you some of the great foods that I've gotten to go with my new blender so we can make some smoothies together this year and start off this year new. Yeah, starting off this year new and healthy. And hopefully we build some new habits of health together. And I can share some smoothie recipes with you, as well as some other things that I might be doing with fitness. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, we have some great products to go over. I can't wait to show you what we're starting with, and we'll update each week. Over here on the right, we've got some products that help us alkalize our smoothies. So it takes away that acidity and makes it more alkaline. In the middle, we've got some more mix-ins and some flavorants and some teas. And over on the left, we've got some flours, some cereals, and some milks. Down there with the crystal bowl, we have some Himalayan sea salt, which is great for banishing. So since we're going to be cleaning out our system and detoxing, we want to make sure we keep our spirits and our energies positive. So I've got a whole bunch of that sea salt, put a candle in it, surrounded it with some of my favorite crystals. That's going to be awesome. Okay, so as you can see, we did a lot of organic as well. That's one way that I'm going to. And then we've got some celestial seasoning teas for flavors. I did get some milks and things too from another store. I'll show you guys those later. But as you can see, I've got the Sprouts coconut water, the Essentia water, that's alkaline water, and the cacao as opposed to cocoa for my chocolate flavorings by Navitas Organics. And then I've got some Sprouts whey powder to mix in to make vanilla flavor. That also adds flavor and protein. We have some more teas. We have some teas down here at the bottom to help us out for our liquids if we don't want to use milks. Organic honey, spirulina. Here's the cacao powder. Cacao powder is alkalized. And then we've got the matcha green tea. I am telling you, it is awesome. We've got organic flax seeds, the whey powder, protein powder again, which is vanilla, all Sprouts brands there. We have some whole wheat pastry flour, which I love. This Bob's Red Mill comes with recipes on the back, you guys. So you can make your brownies, your cakes, your biscuits, everything with that. Again, here's the Himalayan sea salt with some crystals and candle in it. And there's my blender ready to go. I have some great things in there just to show it off. And then I have some whole coconut back there. Coconut milk powder. Also, I'm focusing on the crystal right now. But I did get some coconut milk powder to add in. And then this jar in the center here next to the organic honey, that's spirulina. So we've got some detoxifying products, oxygenating products, alkalizing products, flavorings to add besides milks. It's amazing. Okay, here I am getting ready to show you the video. I thought I'd throw this in for you so you can see how I get started when I get ready to videotape. I'm really proud of these products, and I can't wait to share some smoothies with you guys. And I hope you guys tune in for this series and at least add some of these wonderful things to your lifestyle as well. The matcha green tea, this brand, all of this I got at Sprouts. Some of these are Sprouts brands, some of them are just Sprouts products. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can tune in to all these videos, and blessed be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you're looking for more, go ahead and click the image in the center. That'll take you to all my playlists. And you can find me on my social media in the description below.